And welcome students. Today we're going to do the first capstone project of Microsoft Excel, that is Maple Ridge Medical Center. It is the Excel module 1 to 4 SAM Capstone Project B, formatting formulas and charts. Well, if you want me to do this assignment for you, or the complete course of MS Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics, Finance related projects, or Power BI related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to share the files over the WhatsApp. I will complete the assignment for you and send it back to you. One more thing is that if you want me to do this assignment for you using the Zoom, we can also have the Zoom meeting where you will be doing the assignment. I will supervise you and make you understand how to execute those steps. So let's get started with it. Glen Wong is an analyst in the Human Resource Department at Maple Ridge Medical Center in Vermont. He asked you to help him build a workbook that summarizes budget and staffing data for the medical center. You will add formatting, formulas, and charts. Okay. Start by changing the theme of the workbook to Office to match other medical center workbooks. Okay. The first thing you need to do, that is to go to the page layout. Here in the theme section you will find Office theme. You need to click Office. That's it. On the human resource worksheet, format the worksheet subtitle as follows. This is the human resource worksheet, this is the title, and this is the subtitle. Merge and center the content in the range B3 to L3. We need to select the range first, B3 to L3. Go to the Home tab. In the alignment group you'll find merge and center. Change the font size to 14. You can see that it is already selected, so we just need to change the font size to 14. Next it says change the height of row 3 to 35 to match the height of the row containing the worksheet title. So to change the height you need to select the row first, right click here, so go to the row height, and here you can change it to 35. So we are done with step number 2. Moving to step number 3, it says change the width of column N so its content automatically fit within the column. Column N is this one. We have selected it. Now we will auto fit it. As you select it, you just need to click this, double click, that's it. So we are done with step number 3, and it says change the width of column O to 18. This is column O. We need to change the width to 18 like this. That's it. Now we are done with step number 3. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell O3 enter formula using today function that displays the current date. So cell O3 is this one. So here we need to put a formula equal sign today function, and now the Excel will return the system current date. Moving to step number 5, it says format range D5 to G5 as follows to match the formatting of other column heading D5 to G5. This is D5 to G5. It says first of all apply the accent to cell style. So I've selected the range. Now I'll go to the home tab in styles group, cell style, accent to cell style. Next it says apply the bold formatting. So that's it. Moving to step number 6, it says Glen wants you to add the missing data to the human resources table. Enter the values shown in the table 1 in the corresponding cells in the range B6 to F6. So I'm just copying it and I will paste it in here in B6. Now moving to step number 7, it says copy the content of the range I25 to I38. I25 to I38. I'm just copying it. What should I do? Paste only the values in the range C7 to C20. Here is C7. Only the values should be pasted. That's it. So we are done with step number 7 as well. Moving to step number 8, it says Glen also wants you to complete. Well, let me remind you, if you are finding it difficult, just share the files over the WhatsApp or over the email. I will complete the assignment for you and send it back to you. Then you can submit it. Glen also wants you to complete the calculation, format the summary table, enter the turnover percentage information as follows. In cell J7, enter a formula without using a function that divides the turnover I7 by G7. That is equal to I7 by G7. Fill the range J8 to J20 with the formula in J7 to enter the turnover percentage for the other department. So I'm just copying this one up to J20. I need to paste it. Now moving to step number 9, it says format and complete the turnover information as follows. Apply the percentage number format with 0 decimal places to the range J7 to J20. So first of all, I need to select all the range from J7 to J20, and now I need to select the percentage, and the number of formats should be, first of all, remove all the decimals, then increase twice. Next is in cell J21, enter a formula using average function to determine the average turnover percentage of J7 to J20. So here I need to put a function of average J7 to J20. That's it. Moving to step number 2, for the good practice, because these are also calculated on the 2 decimal places, so it should also be on 2 decimal places. That's what I feel. Let's have a look at the final look. It is only 11%. Sorry, I think in the previous one it was said that it should be 0 decimal. So I rather applied the 2 decimal places. So that's why that was the wrong idea. Select all and remove all the decimal places. That's it. Now moving to step number 10, that is Glen wants you to highlight the significant values in the summary table. In the range J7 to J20, add a highlighted cell conditional formatting rule that formats cells that are greater than 15% as a light red fill with dark red text. So the range that is J7 to J20, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 15%. Yeah, that's it. So we have 4 instances where the values are greater than 15%. Moving to step number 11, in the range K7 to K20, use a conditional formatting to add data bars with a gradient red fill to compare the budget of each department, K7 to K20. First of all, select the range, and it is data bar with gradient red fill. That's it. Moving to step number 12, that is in the range L7 to L20, add top/bottom conditional formatting rule to format the top 10% as a green fill and bottom 10% as a light red fill. Okay. So the range that is L7 to L20, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and top 10% with the green, and again go there, this time bottom 10% with the red. That's it. I think that's it for this video, because I have completed almost half of the assignment. If you want me to do the complete assignment, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. I will get in touch with you. You just need to share the files over the WhatsApp or over the email. I will complete the assignment for you and send it to you, and then you can submit it. So do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.